Question 15 wants us to find the next three terms of the sequence whose recursive formula and first terms is given. So we have our current term that we're looking for. b n minus 1, that is the previous term, and then b with n minus 2 as the subscript, that's the term that's 2 before. So we're looking for b3, and to get b3 we need to take b2 plus b1. So you need to be really careful with the subscripts here. So that would be 1 plus 1 or 2. To get b4, you need to do b3 plus b2, which is 2 plus 1. To get b5, you need to take b4 plus b3. And you get 5. So these would be our next three terms, and you may have noticed, but this is the Fibonacci sequence. So this is the recursive formula that generates the Fibonacci sequence.